What's going on, guys? It is Nick here, and today I'm going to show you how to Photoshop flames onto your car. So what you first need to do is get an angled picture of your car, either angled to the left or angled to the right. It doesn't really matter. Then what you have to do is go onto the internet, search up car shooting flame PNG or flame PNG, and find the most realistic one. So what I did was download this one right here, and make sure it's white right here on the thumbnail. So, and then it'll have a gridded background. And as well, you have to find a smoke PNG. So what I did is search some smoke PNG and downloaded the most realistic one that would look like it's coming out of exhaust. So I downloaded this one right here. So once you download those, they're right here. You take them, you drag your one of your fire PNGs into here, and make sure you have to line it up with the exhaust. What I have to do on this one is 2 because it is a dual exit, as you can see right here. So you make that a bit bigger. It looks a bit pixelated, but as soon as you place it, it makes it look more realistic. So I'm gonna go and grab another one right here, and I'm going to kind of angle it and make sure it looks somewhat similar to this one. A similar angle. Make it a bit bigger. And I'm going to place it right there. So now it looks pretty realistic. Might need to move that one over a little bit. So then what you have to do after is grab your smoke PNG. You can't really see it, but you move it and place it over this. So you can see a bit of smoke. Place it. Place another one, and gotta switch it around, make sure the skinny end's towards the exhaust. Can't really see it, but it shows like after. There. That's all you have to do to create your car shooting flames. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and if you want to see more, comment down below, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.